Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking a quick look here at Avalanche, seeing what's going on. This coin is exuding some interesting behaviors. We got this nice ascending channel, of course, which is commonly a bullish sign, but we're soon to retest the cloud here and kind of see what's going on. We've lost the lagging span and the conversion lines below the baseline now, so there is potential, or there's obviously some sell signals here that we're seeing. That pretty much just means you got a long position open. You probably want to have taken profit by now, just because the price could in fact reverse itself. We're seeing this retest this most recent low at about 41.50. So again, 41.50 was previous resistance level, so we just kind of got to presume that that's going to be an area of contention. Okay, so just some friendly advice here. Be careful, be patient, and we'll see what we need to do here. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, love to teach people to trade. Hope you can learn something today if you want to become a better trader. Again, cryptocash.tech is a site, link down below. Awesome profits here recently to our community. Very well done with BNB, 143%. Polkadot, these were trades taken 6 days ago. Good 40% there, rounding up a little bit, 40% for Doge, roughly 40% for Reef, and 32% for ICP. Also, a nice little Bitcoin long there in 12 days from 43,000 to 52,000. So again, congrats to our community members for that. If you want or are interested in more information, cryptocash.tech is a site, link down below. So let's talk about the back-end data here and see what's going on. We do, and we've talked about this previously, how we know that $38 is a heavy point of interest. Okay, so if Avalanche does end up losing some key level supports, I think $38 would be inevitable to sweep that lower level of liquidity. We have some late shorts here, of course, about $44, but that's really not that heavy of an accumulation. We've got a next closest at about $40.50, right there at that level that we've known for a while is basically a 0.786 fib level. So right here at about $40.55, the price ends up closing right around here in the relative near future. I think we are going to be in a position where the price action might be moving lower. Okay. Again, a lot of this hinges on how Bitcoin performs. If Bitcoin just keeps going up and up and up, we'll probably see something similar from AVAX. But if Bitcoin stabilizes / pulls back a little bit, we will see AVAX correct itself. Okay, so take a look at the daily. Let's go ahead and see where we're at on the macro. Still bullish. There's no other way around it. All moving averages are looking very, very good. We can see stochastic RSI swinging to the downside, though. That is a slightly bearish sign, but MFI insanely high. High MFI, folks, really just implies the price has sustainability and likelihood of staying where it's at. So 4-hour time frame, what does that tell us here? Probably a very similar circumstance. However, we are starting to see the MFI coming down. This tapered effect for the MFI and the RSI, including stochastic RSI, are all situations in which we need to respect that we might actually just see a MACD divergence here. Okay, and if so, then we're going to be able to probably confirm the price action is going to go lower. So we're right on the edge of either greatness or disaster. Right, so again, losing this trend line here roughly at $41.50. And more importantly, the 20-day SMA here is going to be kind of the idea. Now, keep this in mind. Solana and Bitcoin both have the same behavior here, in which the Ichimoku cloud is averaging itself out perfectly with the 20-day SMA on the 4-hour. So my summarization here is that if we get below the 20-day SMA on the 4-hour for any of these coins, we close below there comfortably within about, just say 8 to 12 hours, then there's a good chance we're going to see the price continue lower. Once more, that's what is referred to as receiving confirmation or confirming the trade before you take it. Okay, so we take a look at here. This is what I'm referring to here. Pretty simple. The price action comes down here. Once it's there, we're going to be below the 20-day SMA on the 4-hour. We're going to have a full-on MACD divergence. All the other indicators will be telling us that we're underneath the resistance level. We're also underneath the cloud. We've already got the signs telling us here that the lagging span is intersecting with the baseline, and conversion lines below the baseline. Sorry, I misspoke that a little bit, but generally speaking, that's where we're at. So ultimately, we're in a situation right now where the price action is looking like it wants to continue to go lower. Okay, so just please be very, very careful taking a trade at this point right now. It's absolutely on I wouldn't say on a razor's edge, but we're certainly getting close to confirming downtrend or an uptrend. Okay. Now again, it's probably not going to be monumental, the movement to the downside for this coin, because even though we are likely at our top, an ABC pattern can be very small, can be very minimal, right? So it could be literally this here. As soon as you take your trade here, the price shoots up. Like, that's why you reanalyze, of course, when the price gets where you want it to go. You don't just arbitrarily jump in. But to me, I'm going to add an alert here to be on the safe side. Pay attention to it later, and if it's conditions are met and it looks like a bearish sign, then we can go ahead and do that. But between now and then, a lot of this hinges on Bitcoin, folks. If Bitcoin can continuously uptrend, there's really no reason to even consider a short position. You shouldn't be considering a short position yet either, because it's still premature, but we're leaning towards that happening in the near future. Okay, just some friendly advice. Again, just because you think that doesn't mean you attach yourself to that bias. You don't just instantly take a short now because you feel that that's going to happen. Wait for confirmation. Trust me, it'll help you out. All right, folks, that's what we got there. Make sure you check out Bitunix Exchange, phenomenal exchange, no KYC or VPN required, link down below. Awesome rewards. We got a trading competition for $10,000 for roughly about 300 to 400 members. You have to use my link to register and qualify, but that's going to be an awesome situation. That'll be available here shortly. I'll provide details on that here soon, but I do want to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow. Greatly appreciate that, and we'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.